Morning lads, we were straight into it today. We have that absolute lovely BMW that you've probably just seen a montage of it, because I didn't realise it only lived 5 minutes away from me, and I just got there and we were straight on it. Camera's shaking, isn't it? BMW V8. God, did that sound nice when it started up at the end. That's come up looking absolutely brand spanking new. We're changing up. We have 2 engine bays on today. So I got that one, and I've just took a call this morning, and we've got a second BMW that needs, a second engine bay that needs to be done before the end of today, because the car's going in for an MOT tomorrow. Talk about leaving it last minute, but we'll get to it. After that one, I've now just come over to Salford to go meet up with Bays Aaron, see how he's getting on with Mercedes. I'll just LB's towel drying it now as we speak. Once I've done that, I am going up to Cadnet. We've got one of the customer-facing vehicles, vans. I don't know how to describe them. It's basically a big box van with you go in the back, teas, coffees, welfare units is the only way I can describe it. I've got one of them to do. It looks like it's pissing it down in Rochdale, which I'm not happy about. But this place is just opening up now. So yeah, busy day today. Oh shit, I just remembered. I've got a bloody HGV to do as well. Right, I'll get the stuff that I need from this place here. I'll then go over, quickly do the HGV because it's dry. And then go up to do Cadnet one, get the Cadnet one done, and then I can do the engine bay because that's on my way back. Yeah, right, thanks for that. You just helped me sort my calendar out in my head. But yeah, so I'll have to rearrange that one for next. Right, I'm going to go sort Aaron out, go do this unit, go do the Cadnet, go do the engine bay, go home, have a pint. This high vis Aaron. Say hello, Aaron.
Hello.
So he's just done this one on his own. I've come out to dry it off and then started to rain. But lovely Mercedes. All nice and spotless. Now, I was on to the next job, and I am off to go and do some little bits and bobs today. So this is what we are working on today. We're only doing an interior clean. They're going to take it through the truck wash, which, to be honest, I don't blame them, because they're not trying to get it done. But yeah, so little interior job it. Get it looking all nice and clean. I think it's going to auction. I don't think it's going to the next driver. So yeah, let's see how we can move it. As you can see, this one is now all done. Food all the inside, wiped down all the seats, done all the plastics, dressed the plastics, just done the windows. But yeah, no matter the size of the vehicle, as long as we can get next to it, we can sure as hell clean it. This is what we are currently working on for a new fleet customer. New Cadnet support vehicles. And it's absolutely pissing it down. So I'm going to set up a time lapse and we'll crack on. Right, so I've got the advanced TFR on it. so that'll start dripping all the crap off it. Need to give that wheel another hit, I just remembered. But yeah, not a lot we can do. Ooh, so that's this vehicle all done inside and out. All valet on the inside, all nice and clean, and the back is also taken care of. Right, happy days. Right, engine bay clean. So you can see, oil caps being off, spilt loads of oil everywhere, so we'll give it a clean. It looks like it's going to absolutely piss it down, so I'm probably not going to do any filming because I don't want my stuff to get wet, but you'll see how dirty it is. And then what we'll do now. Right, so this is the engine bay finally done. It's all cleaned. You see they're still dirty for a reason. I will get that little bit there. But they're the connectors. If I soak them, it's going to be an insurance claim, so we'll advise the customer about that. But the main issue was all over here, this section. So it's as clean as I'm going to get it with my skill and my liability on it. So all back there, all around here. We'll do the windscreen now, we'll wipe all that down. Clean the front half of the vehicle as well for the customer. But yeah, so it looks all nice and clean. And just to prove that the engine is still running, belts on here, no squeakiness, burning off the steam and the plastic dressing that we use. Yeah, all good. Right, you'll have to ignore the really bad lighting. Today's just literally got away from me. I think last thing I did was the engine bay clean, wasn't it? So I've done the engine bay clean and then sourced a load of stuff in the back of the van. Nipped out to go catch up with Aaron to drop a steamer off for him, and then before I know it, I'm coming back and it's already 5:15. So yeah, right, yeah, I know it's only a short vlog this week as well. There's a lot of things in the works that I'm really excited about to share, so we'll get that taken care of shortly. So right, I think that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe, and anything you want to know, leave comments in the comment section below. I'm never going to get this outro right, am I? But yeah. Another thing, I need to sort those lights out as well because they're not turning off when I get in the van. It's a never ending task, but yeah, right, thank you very much for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.